So measure it up. I'm going to do probably the length of the shank. Tie it in on the side, making sure that it sits up on top of the shank itself. And work your way back down just beyond the point of the barb. Or sorry, the point of the hook. Clip away your waist. Tidy up. And for the rib, it's going to be a flat silver tinsel. Show it up to the side and tie it in. And lock everything down. So I want to do a taper in the body. So I'm going to form a taper by going up and down the shank of the hook. Continue on doing so until you have that desired shape that you require. And for the body, we're going to use hare's ear. Don't be shy with it. You want a nice body. Dub it onto the thread. And wind on your body. Tighten up as you go. Okay, and form that nice taper that I was on about. Okay, on with your rib. Your flat silver rib. 3 to 4 turns. Should be loads. Lock in your silver tinsel. Couple of turns. And break it away. And for the thorax, you're going to use this hare's ear again. So you want a nice thorax, so don't spare the dubbing. And on with your thorax.